Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about sine x dx go to the left. This one I will put on the right. So we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s dv, that is about sine s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equal to negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v, and that is about negative s cosine s, minus we have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive, and now we have the integration cosine s ds. So the integration of cosine s, that is about sine s, and I will put about c. So this one, that is about this one. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to y squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2y dy. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. Y dy we change for this one. And now we have the final answer about u, that is about y squared. So this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.